What's going on, guys? It's Garrett Fields with Nelson Financial Planning, where our team of certified financial fiduciaries focuses every single day to help you change your life through a successful financial plan that provides you peace of mind in the future. As we wrap up this segment on debt, we've talked about how buying a home can make you house poor, and how buying expensive cars can drastically reduce your retirement. But today, I want to take a look at the worst kind of debt there is. This debt should never be used unless an emergency situation or you're on top of your finances every single month like a hawk. This debt is, of course, credit card debt. It's extremely easy to get into credit card debt, and with large fees and astronomically high interest rates, it can turn into an uncontrollable monster in a blink of an eye. Today, I want to take a look at how easy it is to get into credit card debt and how detrimental it can really be to your financial future. Now let's take a look at some charts and some numbers. Here's a list of common credit cards and their average range of interest rates according to usnews.com. Interest rates range from 14.84% to 24.66%, with the average APR being just under 20% at 19.67. Remember that even if you make the minimum payments, you are still being charged interest on the remaining balance. According to a recent study, millennials between the age of 25 and 34 have an average of $42,000 in debt. And a full fourth of that is credit card debt. That's an average of $8,400 in credit card debt per millennial. With the average APR, or annual percentage rate, on credit cards being just under 20%, that means the average millennial will pay $1,680 a year just in interest. If you took that $1,680 of interest alone and invested that every single year instead of paying it to the credit card companies, you would be looking at an extra $250,000 in retirement, assuming an 8% rate of return. This doesn't include any other money that you put towards retirement. We know that in today's day and age, credit cards are part of everyday life. And credit cards can be beneficial. They do things like help you raise your credit score, and with benefits like cash back and points, they can drastically outweigh their drawbacks. If, and this is a big if you pay off the balance every single month when it's due. Unfortunately, millennials are being robbed of their retirement decades before it even starts. For more on how we can help you set up a strategy to pay off your credit card debt or invest for retirement, give me a call at 407-629-6477 for a free consultation, or visit our website at www.nelsonfinancialplanning.com. And as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and invest consistently.